Guys, I am boiling a half chicken. Look, I'm boiling the until tender because I need the soup. So I'm gonna put this Chinese herbs for the chicken here. I'm gonna put that together. You know what? Because we are going to make shabu shabu and grill for our lunch and dinner. So guys, here I'm gonna wash the herbs, Chinese herbs, guys. I'm gonna wash that and I'm gonna put together in the chicken and boiling for like 3 hours.
But you can't feel it.
So guys, we're gonna put that together, guys, there, and let it boils for 3 hours. Look guys, mga kahoy-kahoy herbs yan guys. And smell good pag naluto siya. Yan guys, ito red dates to na dry red dates. Ito nakalimutan ko yung pangalan. Niluluto ko yun sa Singapore. So I'm gonna cook this time. Okay guys, see you.